honestly, training with Praveen is very, very difficult. He's a monster when he becomes your coach. But I think it's good for yourself only.
Hi guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair. Today we are doing keto sweet and sour paneer. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. 150 grams of paneer, which is chopped in pieces. Then I have ginger garlic paste, pink Himalayan salt, some oregano seasoning, and I have HEINZ Tomato ketchup, no sugar added. So the benefit of the same is 10 calories per tablespoon and contains 0 grams of sugar. Here I have my 150 grams of paneer. Next I'm going to add is about half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. There you go. Next we're going to add is some ketchup. Then about half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Lastly, some oregano. And now I'm going to mix this well. Keep it aside for about 2 to 3 minutes and roast this with 1 tablespoon of ghee over a pan. In a pan, first we're going to take 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. To that, I'm going to add my sweet and sour marinated paneer. And now we're going to cook the same on medium flame for the next 3 to 4 minutes. And our keto sweet and sour paneer is done. So once it's well done, it's going to turn slightly golden and be crispy. Then we are going to transfer it into a bowl and enjoy and relish the same. Our keto sweet and sour paneer is ready. It's a super easy recipe to make the exact sweet and sour paneer, which is keto. That means which is less than 3 grams of carb and loaded with good amount of protein. Request you to please go on to the description link below so that you can get to see all the ingredients that I have used. I highly recommend using HEINZ ketchup, which is less than 1 gram of carb. Also, it contains 0 grams of sugar. That means it's a perfect add-on which can be added to your paneer, which can give you an excellent taste, which will still keep you in your ketosis. Lastly, the benefits of the same, it's loaded with good amount of protein, especially for vegetarian, as the sources become really less when you're choosing being on keto and choosing a vegetarian option. Second, it also provides you instant energy towards your body, and it's a great source of calcium and protein. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. I do lots and lots of videos on training, nutrition, amazing awesome recipes and everything you want to know about fitness on the same platform. Thank you.